be making some cookies. So first you're going to want to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, gas mark 6. Do you want to put the butter in?
It looks so funny! Whoa!
Okay, let me do the rest. Wait, let me do this.
Wow, that looks so cool.
Okay. So now we've got an electric mixer and we're going to put it in the butter, make sure it gets nice and fluffy.
Butter can't get fluffy.
Yeah, it can.
Yeah, it can. If you would. Whoa! This is going to be fluffy. Oh yeah.
So now we're going to add some sugar.
But what about milk?
Yeah.
Oh, that
And
looks so cool.
the vanilla.
Oh, vanilla flavour.
Ah, it's all.
And then the flour. Put all of it.
Yeah!
Hannah.
That's all we have.
So now we have to mix it together. So this is what our dough looks like so far. And now we're just going to get our dough onto a board. And we're going to knead it. So now we're just going to knead the dough together. Come on guys, let's knead it. Before you do this step, you have to make sure that you clean your table thoroughly so that your dough doesn't get any germs. Come on, just let's knead the dough. And also wash your hands.
Because of the coronavirus.
Yeah, and other germs. Come on, let's do this. This
Oh,
is
come
good
on,
dough.
let's do this!
This is really good dough.
This is really good though too. Wow!
And we've split it into 3 parts your hands could have.
Look, I made a gem.
Oh yeah, for Joshua. So I'm just going to knead it
I made it!
until it's nice and smooth, and you don't want it to be too sticky because the end result might not be as good as it would be if it wasn't sticky.
Photo?
Okay, so we have finished kneading. So now you're going to want to get little pieces of dough and roll them into balls. Yeah, like this.
Oh.
And then you're going to want to put it on it.
How much cookies are we even going to make?
I have no idea. But we're just
I
going to...
made some.
That's too small.
That's way too small.
And that's the half.
This.
Yeah, it's really small.
Okay. So we're going to make all these cookies with balls.
That's too big.
Well, Jasmine actually is following the category I said, but maybe those are a bit too small.
Sorry, guys.
So you just want to squish them, Jasmine, you just want to squish them a little bit like this, okay? Like this.
Uh-oh, this is too big,
Like this.
right?
Like this.
See, look. I
Yeah,
made
that's
it.
good enough.
Hey. This one has a big space here.
Okay, yeah, that is perfect.
Wow.
Like this.
Bit flatter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bit flatter. Bit flatter.
Is that too flat?
No.
Looks so cool.
So I'm gonna flatten these ones a bit more.
I'm going to flat these ones today.
Flatten, okay? Say flatten.
Flatten.
Okay, we have our cookies.
Wow. This looks really awesome, right, guys?
So now we're going to want to put parchment on a tray. I'm going to put these. This is the finished result. Please click on the videos you see up here to see more of our baking videos. I hope you like this video. Bye!
Bye!